More to good, oy. Are you going, Jack? Umalis kami. So, nag-Baltic Cup na lang kami ni Jack, boy.
Guys, imagine this. It's still very early in the morning, and I'm already packing my bags. Me and Jack are about to leave, but I won't tell you where yet. Let's just say it's something I've been thinking about for a while. The neighbours would probably be wondering why we're rushing out this early. Stay tuned, because this trip might come with a little surprise.
You know, guys, sometimes life gets a little too overwhelming. There are days when the problems just keep piling up, and no matter how strong you try to be, you feel like you need a break from everything. That's actually one of the reasons why I packed my bags so early this morning and left with Jack. Not because we're running away from something dramatic, but sometimes changing your environment helps clear your mind. A different place, a different view, and even just a short trip can make you think differently. Of course, if the neighbours saw us leaving before sunrise, I'm sure they'd already have their own stories and theories. But honestly, sometimes you just need to step away for a while, breathe, and come back feeling better. Anyway, where do you think we're going?
Si Jack, happy kay siya gyud pag mag-travel kami. Pero pag nasa bahay kami, agoy, nabuburyong. Galit siya, nag-iiyak siya.
We've finally arrived, and I have something exciting to share with you. This is actually the place where we bought a piece of land. Yes, you heard that right. This is where we're planning to build our future home, and this is where we'll be living. After a lot of thinking, planning, and dreaming, we're finally taking the first steps toward making it happen. Honestly, seeing the land in person feels so different. It's hard to explain, but it makes everything feel real. Imagine one day there will be a house standing right here, and we'll be creating so many memories in this place. And for us, this feels like the perfect place to start a new chapter. To be honest, one of the reasons we chose this place is because it's so peaceful here. You can actually hear the birds, feel the fresh air, and enjoy the quiet. No traffic noise, no stress, and far away from all the drama and chaos. You know how sometimes life gets too noisy? Not just the sounds, but the problems, the gossip, and all the negativity around us. That's why we fell in love with this place. It's the kind of area where you can wake up in the morning feeling relaxed and end the day without so much stress. That's exactly what we like about it. Sometimes peace is worth more than being close to everything. Who knows? Maybe in a few years we'll look back at this empty land and say, this is where it all started.
Ha? Wala, raman milans, tulog ra siya. Ato lolo kaw. Asa mo?
Ato may kapital doon, banta.
Na, dili ko milens.
Ala!
Bato mo kapitanuhan ko? Lolo.
siyo!
Hala, nagkatawa siya, cool.
Ito pila mo nandal.
Wa pa miligo. Uy, lolo. Bless lolo, oh. Ka-angkol dong dos na mo dool.
Goy, giaway ka.
Wa pa ba naligo? Mami sa kuan ti cha. Ha? Tuwa sa kuan. Bali siya.
Diri ka natulog?
Dili, dito pa ku San Jose, oy. Ali, ligo ka
May mineral dito tayo iligo.
Ayaw ko, oy, kanirang kuan.
Wala na dito nga kuan.
Ha?
Mas linuwit.
Manghihimib din. Wami ko balas password ani. Password ani daw. Ha? Dali password. Dali daw. Dali, come here.
Di mo dool na milens.
Maibog naman taanag ko.
Niyo man lagi mo dong. Wala imong mga ati dong. Wala, maligo mi ni Jack, oy. Maligo si Jack. Ligo na. Ligo. Nawala ako kuan ni. Nawala akong stand kay na, oy.
Ha?
Katong itom na ko nga mga stand.
Iduraan mo itong buling.
Asa?
Ang gusto niya.
Hala?
Ay.
Puti pod lubot oy.
Bi, tarong saan, sus? Tarong ba?
Sige siya mag...
Ganan man na siya, God. Magdula-dulang tubig. Ligo kami ni Jack. Dadi siya, tugnawan ba?
Ganan siya tubig nga bugnaw.
Naghanap ako dyan ni Jack. Oy! Nan siya bugnaw to. Wow! Uy!
Pwede siya. Pwede siya.
Wala po ng one day.
Ha? Di siya gakirig ba?
Hala, ana to guri sa bugnaw. Tika taga kon mana.
Uy! Dili man bugnaw ilang ginaligo day.
Ang weather.
Okay na siya, uy. Di ang puput. I-craft na ng puput later. Hala, nadula-dula ang mga.
Ganan na siya swimming te.
Oh,
Pakita na tong audience. Tara audience.
Ojen. Ali.
Ay, ganun siya kubig.
Ganahan siya suot. Imong ears. Hali ba? Layuan naman ni mo diha, uy.
Cute bro ng mga bata eh.
Himo na shot.
Alangan siya,
Dili lang. Hoy, asa pa siya?
Nilako na.
Nagpalayo.
na.
Eh?
Di ba basa ibang buhok?
Tagan dai kayo kwante, Ojen.
Di ka kinain.
Nagsanang-sanang.
Yambok ka. Tanda na,
Natas
gibugnawan
yung
na siya
buhok.
kay.
Siguro sa kinain.
Kasi ang buhok. Hi, Jack.
Dana.
Yay!
Paro mi tawil.
Narate.
Yara. Sus, nabasa na nung tawil. Okay.
Okay, all done. Bye-bye.
All done si...
Magsimba, mi. Ala, na pa dahil si Matoy dito. Bossing, yun kayo, oh. Sana all. Grabe, Matoy, bye. Matoy, ay. Te. Asa? Kuha na. Aw, thank you. We go here. We go church. Church. Matoy, tabangi ko, Matoy. Ayun. Jack.
Ayan. Uy. Ayaw kay muhila ko.
Dali. Oh, ikaw ganito na vlog ka. Istorya da yun.
Ha?
Istorya. Gunit man ka kay mag-istorya man ka. Hey, church na mi. Go church. Church Jack. Lulululu, gusto ka Jack. Uy.
Matulong mi church.
Asa ka? Tagalogin. Tagalog. Dili Bisaya. Tagalog. Papunta kami church.
Pagkatapos kong paliguan si Jack, tumawag si Jessica. Hindi niya na daw kaya, magsumbong na daw siya sa akin. Nagmarites ang inyong Inday Jessica sa ginagawa ng kanyang daddy doon sa UK. Oh, sabi ko, ano sana mang marites Jessica? Sometimes tumatawag yan bigla-biglaan, unexpected. So dito pupunta kami ng church. So yun na nga, maritisan ko kayo sa ginawa ng kanilang daddy sa kanila. Kaya hindi na daw agwantan, hindi na daw kaya. Jessica, sumbong na daw siya. OA kayo. Mami, gusto ko kumain ng rice. Gutom ako rice. Ganon siya sa akin. Gusto ko na kumain ng rice. Si Papa daw nila hindi nagluluto ng rice sa kanila. Kaya hindi man yun marunong magluto ng rice sa UK. O, paano man yun magluto? So, nandito na kami. At si Matoy ito ng kuan-kuan. Ay, naku guys. Patagal ako hindi kabalik magsimba dito. Hayaan nyo na yan. Kamara kung saan na yan nagpupunta. At first time ni Jack magsimba dito kung saan ako lumaki. So, yun na nga. Minessage ko yung kanyang tatay. Sabi ko, bakit hindi mo man sila lutuan din ng rice? Kaya gusto ng mga bata kumain ng rice and it's been a long time. Wala na silang rice. So, yun na ang ginawa ko. Minessage ko, please lutuan mo sila ng rice. Gawin mo naman, uy, kung pagluto ng rice. Sabi niya sa akin, nag-reply, paano ako magluto ng rice? Hindi daw siya marunong magluto ng rice. Okay, hindi na natin pugsin. So, ito yung aming church, Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Isip found on screen, no? Dili makita sa screen, kundi naadya sa mga lingkuranan na galikod. Meaning, kamo ka na kay Suon. In fact, in 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 2, naging sa din, you yourself are our letter.
Thank you. Nag-vlog si Matoy.
We kasinula, written in our hearts,
Hala.
known and read by
Hala.
everyone. No? Ginabasa na sa mga katawan. Meaning, people o mga katawan may never open the Bible, though daily sila malapit sa Biblia,
Church.
but they are
We go to
constantly
church.
reading the version
Asa talino?
of Jesus written in our actions. No?